In formal writing, it's also very common after negative phrases like under no circumstances can we accept that, or after adverbs of place. Round the corner came the postman. You will also see it with words like seldom, rarely, never, and little. So seldom have I seen such a view. And it can appear after phrases like only after or not only. Like only after the meeting did I see the importance. Sometimes we even replace if in a condition like had I known I wouldn't have done it. Inversion is also used after hardly, scarcely, and no sooner, when one thing happens after another, such as hardly had I begun to speak when I was interrupted. Lastly, we can use inversion in exclamations with here and there, such as here comes the winner, there goes all our money.